Introducing the G4 Doorbell Pro, a smart doorbell with a rich set of powerful features that can be simply added to your existing UniFi Protect deployment. Featuring a 5-megapixel main camera, providing a crystal clear view of what is happening at your front door. The G4 Doorbell Pro also comes with a secondary downward-facing camera, specifically designed to view your packages, providing snapshots whenever motion is detected. Together with smart detection for people and cars, you'll know exactly who or what is at your front door. With the built-in ambient light sensor and infrared LEDs, the G4 Doorbell Pro offers superior night vision quality. And a white LED flashlight welcomes you home as soon as it detects motion, presenting a well-lit path to your door. The 1.3-inch color screen allows you to create custom messages that will be displayed whenever a visitor is detected. And with a built-in microphone and speaker, you can talk to whomever is at your door right from your phone or web application. The G4 Doorbell Pro supports both mechanical and digital chime boxes, so even when you don't have your phone, you will still be alerted when someone is at your door. Furthermore, the G4 Doorbell Pro comes equipped with a fingerprint scanner and NFC support, allowing you to unlock your front door with the touch of a finger or swipe of a card. The doorbell is also completely weatherproof, ensuring reliable performance in even the harshest conditions. Installing the doorbell is effortless. You can power it using your existing doorbell wiring or with a USB-C cable. Or with the addition of a PoE adapter, you can plug the doorbell right into your PoE switch. You can also position your camera for optimum coverage with the included mounting options. With the UniFi Protect mobile app, the doorbell is automatically detected so you can instantly monitor your footage from your phone or from your computer anywhere in the world. Ubiquiti, bringing innovation to the doorbell product category and home security. Like and subscribe to make sure you are the first to know when new products are released.